How to change notification settings in Todoist. Hello friends, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can change notification settings in Todoist. Note that this procedure is very simple, just watch to the end. Now the first step is to log in into your account, that is log in into your Todoist account. Once you are logged in and you are brought to the home page, you can see some options. You can see some icons by the left side of the screen, which includes search, inbox today, upcoming, filters and labels, and then you see the add tags option as well. So once you can see this, the next thing to do is to go ahead and move to the top left corner of the screen where you can see your profile icon. Once you see it, click on it. Once you click on it, in the box displayed, you'll see other options as well. Just go ahead and select settings. So after clicking on settings, you are brought to the settings page. Just move to the left side of the screen and then scroll down until you can see notification. Once you see it, notification is located below reminders and above backups. So just click on notifications and then you brought to the notifications page. On this page, you can now go ahead and change notification setting that you want. If you want to add some things or you remove some things, just go ahead, edit it the way you want. The same thing applies to accounts and update emails. You can just change this, and then once you're done, move to the lower right side of the screen and then click on save and update settings, and then just like that, these notification settings would be changed. As you can see, this is how it works. So ensure you try this out. All right, thanks for watching.